Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to unblock someone on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. Click on the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see the blocked user section. So now, as you can see, sample tutor is blocked on my account. So if I want to block that account, you can just go ahead and click on the X button at the right side of his or her username. And if you are sure about blocking that user, you want to click on yes. And that is how you unblock someone on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.